Not all drinks are good for your eyes. In fact, some can quietly make your vision worse, especially at night. Here's the surprising truth. What you sip before bed can either protect your eyesight or slowly weaken it over time. Do your eyes ever feel dry when you wake up? Do headlights seem harsher when driving at night? You're not alone, and many seniors don't realize beverages play a huge role in eye health. Today, I'll share 5 powerful drinks to protect your eyes, and the last one may surprise you. Let's begin with the first, chamomile tea. Now, most people think of chamomile as just a bedtime relaxer, but what many don't realize is how much it can help your eyes, especially if you struggle with dryness, strain, or trouble sleeping. You see, the eyes do most of their repair work while you sleep. But if your sleep is poor, your eyes never get the full chance to recover, leaving you with that dry, irritated, burning sensation in the morning. Here's the science. Chamomile contains natural compounds called apigenin and bisabolol. These act as gentle calming agents for your nervous system, reducing stress and helping you fall into deeper, more restful sleep. And when your body rests well, your tear film, that thin protective layer covering your eyes, has the chance to restore itself. Studies have shown that seniors with better sleep patterns actually report fewer symptoms of dry eye, less irritation, and clear morning vision. In simple terms, good sleep equals happier eyes. I'll give you an example. Margaret, a 70-year-old retired teacher, used to sip black tea before bed. She often complained of waking up with burning, scratchy eyes and even needed drops by her bedside. I suggested one simple change. Swap her black tea for caffeine-free chamomile. Within just 2 weeks, she noticed she wasn't reaching for her eye drops in the morning. Her eyes felt calmer, her mornings brighter, and she even said she could enjoy reading again without that constant gritty feeling. So here's the tip. Brew 1 cup of caffeine-free chamomile tea about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Let it steep for 5 minutes, sip slowly, and give your eyes the rest they've been waiting for. Now let's move to the second drink on our list, aloe vera juice. You might know aloe as that soothing gel for sunburns, but here's something few people realize. Aloe can also bring relief to tired, irritated eyes when taken as a drink. Many seniors I meet tell me their eyes often feel hot, red, or inflamed, almost like there's sand stuck under the eyelids. This isn't just uncomfortable. It's your body telling you that irritation and inflammation are at work, and over time, that stress can wear down the delicate tissues of your eyes. Here's where aloe vera stands out. Aloe is packed with antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help calm irritation in the body. It also supports hydration from the inside, which is crucial because your eyes rely on a healthy balance of moisture to stay clear and comfortable. Some research even suggests aloe extracts may help reduce oxidative stress in ocular tissues, meaning it's not only soothing, but could also be protective for your long-term eye health. Let me share a quick story. One of my patients, George, age 69, used to complain about red, tired eyes every evening, especially after long hours on his tablet. He started drinking a small glass of pure, unsweetened aloe vera juice before bed. Within a month, he told me, "Doc, I wake up and my eyes don't feel nearly as irritated as before. I didn't think something so simple could help." So here's my tip. If you struggle with eye discomfort or redness, try adding a small glass of pure, unsweetened aloe vera juice about 30 minutes before bedtime. Just make sure it's labeled as safe for internal use. Now, for our third drink, one you've probably heard linked to vision since childhood, carrot juice. But here's the truth. It's not just an old saying. There's real science behind why carrots are so powerful for your eyes. The problem is this. As we age, many people become deficient in vitamin A, and that deficiency often shows up first in the eyes. Poor night vision, difficulty adjusting to dim light, and constant eye dryness are all early warning signs. For seniors, this can mean struggling to read at dusk, finding night driving almost impossible, or waking up with uncomfortable eyes. Here's where carrots come in. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a natural pigment your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the retina, especially the rods, the cells responsible for seeing in low light. Without enough of it, those cells simply can't function properly. And here's something eye-opening. Vitamin A deficiency remains one of the leading causes of preventable blindness worldwide. Let me give you an example. Sarah, age 72, loved her nightly soda with dinner. She often complained that she couldn't make out words in dim light, and reading before bed was frustrating. I suggested a swap. Replace that soda with half a glass of fresh carrot juice. Within a few weeks, she noticed she could read longer into the evening without straining. It wasn't magic. It was nutrition working exactly as nature intended. So here's the takeaway. If you want to give your eyes an easy, natural boost, try half a glass of fresh, homemade carrot juice in the evening. Skip the sugary store-bought versions. Those do more harm than good. Think of this as giving your retina the fuel it needs to keep your night vision strong. And while carrots help strengthen the retina, the next drink works in a completely different way, by protecting your eyes at the cellular level. Next on the list is green tea, a drink that does far more than refresh you. One of the biggest challenges for aging eyes is oxidative stress, damage caused by free radicals that slowly wear down delicate eye tissues. Over time, this stress contributes to cataracts, retinal damage, and even faster vision decline. Green tea is rich in compounds called catechins, powerful antioxidants that don't just stay in your bloodstream. Studies have shown that these antioxidants actually reach the tissues of the eye, including the retina and the lens, where they help neutralize free radicals and reduce long-term damage. In other words, green tea isn't just a soothing drink. It's delivering protective compounds right where your eyes need them most. I'll share a quick example. Thomas, a 67-year-old retired accountant, always had black tea with dinner. He complained of constant eye fatigue in the evenings, especially after reading. I suggested switching to a warm cup of decaf green tea instead. Within a few weeks, he noticed his eyes didn't feel as strained, and to his surprise, his sleep improved as well since he wasn't loading up on caffeine before bed. Here's my tip. Enjoy 1 cup of decaf green tea in the evening, ideally after dinner. Sip it warm, not too hot, and let those antioxidants do their quiet work, protecting your eyes while you rest. Finally, let's talk about a drink that might surprise you, the blueberry smoothie. For many seniors, one of the greatest vision threats is age-related macular degeneration, a condition that weakens the central part of your vision and makes it harder to read, recognize faces, or drive safely. Poor circulation to the retina only makes this worse. This is where blueberries shine. They're loaded with anthocyanins, the natural pigments that give blueberries their deep blue color. These compounds act like tiny shields, protecting retinal cells from oxidative stress, while also improving blood flow to the delicate vessels in the back of your eyes. In fact, studies have linked regular blueberry intake with healthier retinas and even better night vision. Take Helen, a 71-year-old grandmother, who told me she always felt her vision dimming at dusk. Reading in the evening had become frustrating. I suggested adding a simple half cup of blueberries into her nightly routine, blended into a small smoothie with almond milk. After just a few weeks, she noticed her eyes didn't tire as quickly, and she described her vision at night as brighter and less cloudy. Here's my tip. Blend half a cup of fresh or frozen blueberries with plain yogurt or unsweetened almond milk. Keep it simple, no added sugar. This is a delicious way to end your day while giving your eyes the protection they need. Now that you know all 5 drinks, let's see how to bring them together into one simple nightly ritual. We've just covered 5 powerful drinks that can support your eyes as you age. Chamomile tea for relaxation, aloe vera juice for soothing inflammation, carrot juice for vitamin A, green tea for antioxidant protection, and a surprising blueberry smoothie for better circulation and night vision. Small, simple choices like these can make a real difference in how your eyes feel each day. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your vision. Try one of these drinks tonight. Let me know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural eye health tips.